Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening, everyone. It's already past 11 o'clock sa gabi. It's almost midnight. But I'm gonna take my early midnight snack. This is my midnight snack. Coffee and bread. This one. Shout out sa ako ang amigo nga nag-birthday karong adlaw. Happy birthday to Eliener Dodong Montesilio Asiro Senior. Happy birthday dong. Classmate na ko siya sa elementary from Mabuhay. We back 1986. 86 batch me sa Mabuhay Elementary. Mabuhay Carmen Davao del Norte. Happy birthday once again dong. Medyo nagkataas na gyud ang imong edad no kay 52 years old ka na. Mas magulang pa ka sa kuha kay ako bata pa man ko. Happy birthday dong. God bless you always.